As you can see here, you can clearly see the team names here up in the top right, top left. You see their team name here. You can see the match and all that. It's the names here. You can see here they are trying to cancel the match now after they disputed. We showed them our proof, and then they sent us this cancellation request, and we're going to decline it because we won fairly. They had incorrect rules. You'll read about that in the ticket, and you'll see that in the proof that it was their host. You can see here that clearly that they know that they lost due to the cancellation request.